If you're always shopping online, I'm going to show you how you can start getting paid from these companies. So the first thing you're going to do is come to Google. So let's say that you're always shopping at Sephora. You're just going to type in affiliate program after that. And then you're going to click on the results. Now they do have a program where they pay you to refer people to buy their products from the website. It's free to join, and all you have to do is fill out an application, and then they're going to review it and let you know if you're approved. So once you're signed up for the program, then you're going to pick a product and you're going to promote that product. So let me show you an example. So if I come over to YouTube and then I just type in Sephora haul, it's going to show me a bunch of results. And this is a pretty easy search term to rank for. So let me take a look at this video. This person is just walking around the store and just looking at different products. And they have a bunch of affiliate links in the description of their videos. So if I click on this link right here, it's going to bring me to Sephora. So anybody who clicks on your affiliate link and they purchase that product you're promoting, then you would earn a commission. So this business model is called affiliate marketing. You can follow me to learn more about it or check out the link in my profile.